Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Welcome to our new video where we are going to reveal the secrets that set top-notch facility managers apart from the rest. Stay tuned as we uncover the 5 key habits that are currently being utilized by the best in the industry to excel in their roles. You'll learn how being proactive, seeking automation, studying data, working effectively with vendors, and prioritizing workloads can significantly improve your facility management skills. Let's get started. Let's dive into the 5 habits that set the best facility managers apart from the rest. These habits are what the best-in-class facilities managers are doing right now to excel in their roles. First up, they are proactive. As a facility manager, you know that dealing with emergency repairs is part of the job, but the best facility managers make it a habit to focus on preventive and predictive maintenance as much as they can. The more you can shift your focus away from reactive maintenance, the more efficient your facility will become. This not only saves you time, but also money in the long run. The second habit is to seek automation. A key part of moving away from reactive maintenance is embracing automation. Facility managers who are always on the lookout for the best automation tools available are the ones who reap the benefits of these technologies first. This doesn't mean you have to switch to the latest releases all the time, but it does mean keeping automation at the forefront of your mind. For instance, sensor technology prices are dropping rapidly and can significantly improve asset monitoring for many facilities. Thirdly, they make it a habit to study data. Having reliable data in your CMMS and analyzing it regularly is another habit of top-notch facilities managers. Remember, the reason for collecting maintenance data is to help you make smarter, better decisions. If you can identify when and why critical assets are breaking down, or which machines benefit most from preventive maintenance tasks, you can determine the best course of action more quickly. Align these with your KPIs to track your progress. The fourth habit is working well with vendors. No one person can do everything well alone. So, being able to work effectively with third-party vendors is a crucial habit for successful facility managers. This involves managing relationships and ensuring that data and workloads are streamlined and integrated with your internal team. Finally, the fifth habit is prioritizing. Understanding your own strengths and prioritizing what you can do best is critical to being an exceptional facilities manager. Knowing when to delegate and focusing on those decisions that will have the biggest long-term impact for your organization is key. These are the 5 habits that make a great facility manager. They are proactive, seek automation, study data regularly, work well with vendors, and prioritize their workloads. By developing these habits, you too can become a best-in-class facility manager. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the 5 key habits of successful facility managers: being proactive, seeking automation, studying data, working effectively with vendors, and prioritizing workloads. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For more resources and tools to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit us at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.